URCAS is the Undergraduate Research and Creative Arts Symposium, and this is an event that's been going on for 21 years on our campus. This is an opportunity for our best and brightest students to highlight what they've accomplished over the course of their year. It really showcases the range of talents that our students have. This year, URCAS is on Friday, April 28th. We have over 90 students participating this year from virtually every college on campus, and they run the gamut from topics. So we have a whole group of papers on innovations in materials science that's used in construction, to a group of students doing dance performances, to students reading poetry, others talking about their research in biology, chemistry, agricultural sciences, you name it. There's some student doing it on this campus and doing it really well. All of the designs for the events are a product of our students' ingenuity. We have a contest every year with the graphic arts students to come up with a logo for each year's URCAS event, and this year's logo is really beautiful.
This year for the URCAS Symposium, I'm doing a project on budgerigars. So currently I'm working in an animal behavior lab on campus that deals with parrot and vocal communication. To start off, parrots are an interesting animal to study just because they are one of the only species capable of vocal learning, which means they're able to modify their acoustic sounds throughout their lifetime, which is very similar to how we humans learn languages. And what I'm trying to see is if there's association between their strength of affiliative behavior and the associations between their contact calls. One of my goals has been to go into graduate school and work in an animal behavior lab, so this experience will definitely help me do that.
For URCAS, I'm going to be presenting on my research on the economic policies of the Federal Reserve Bank of the United States and the Bank of Japan, and kind of differentiating their different approaches to how they implement forward guidance. My interest in my research actually began last summer when I interned at the US Treasury, and I studied East Asian economies and kind of how they influence the United States. And there I was introduced to the Bank of Japan's kind of unorthodox forward guidance policies. I think my research and presenting at URCAS is going to really prepare me for the career that I hope to have in economics. You know, from collecting research and preparing a presentation to even evaluating policy. This is exactly what I hope to do, and I have a chance to do it and a chance to really experience it here at URCAS.
Eye on Research is a production of New Mexico State University.